Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to the HoloWare Tech Podcast. I'm Nazia, and today we are diving deep into the world of the i7 processor. This powerhouse from Intel has revolutionized the way we experience computing. From gaming to productivity tasks, at HoloWare, we are excited to show you how the i7 processor is the ultimate game changer for your tech needs. So let's get started. The Intel i7 processor is at the core of high-performance computing, offering incredible power and speed. With advanced multi-threading capabilities, larger cache sizes, and higher clock speeds, the i7 outperforms many other processors, especially when paired with our HoloWare systems. This makes it the go-to option for users who demand top-tier performance for gaming, content creation, or professional applications. When it comes to multitasking and heavy workloads, the i7 shines. With configurations that include quad-core or higher and some models boasting up to 8 cores, it handles everything from 3D rendering to data analysis with ease. This versatility makes it perfect for professionals, gamers, and creatives who need speed and reliability. For gamers, pairing the i7 processor with an NVIDIA GeForce graphics card is the ultimate combo. You will experience stunning visuals, smooth frame rates, and lag-free gameplay. This setup allows you to enjoy games with high-resolution textures, real-time ray tracing, and fast load times. HoloWare's gaming laptops and desktops powered by i7 processors provide that immersive experience you have been craving. But the i7 isn't just for gamers. It's a productivity beast. Whether you are editing high-resolution videos, working with large datasets, or developing software, the i7 processor accelerates your workflow. Our HoloWare workstations, equipped with i7 processors, are optimized for tasks like video editing, 3D modeling, data analysis, and more, making your daily task faster and more efficient. Today's tech world requires seamless connectivity, and the i7 processor doesn't fall short. With support for USB-C ports, Wi-Fi 6, Thunderbolt, and PCIe 4.0, your system will be future-proof. These features ensure you're not only getting incredible performance, but also exceptional connectivity for all your devices and peripherals. Pairing the i7 processor with Windows 11 amplifies the experience even further, whether it's the multitasking capabilities, enhanced security features, or the speed of the system. Windows 11 is designed to maximize the potential of the i7 processor. From snappy startup times to seamless integration with productivity tools, Windows 11 ensures that your system runs smoothly and efficiently. The Intel i7 processor represents a leap forward in performance and efficiency. Whether you are gaming, editing videos, or crunching numbers, the i7 delivers outstanding power for any task. At HoloWare, we have harnessed this cutting-edge processor across our systems to give you the best in class. And if you are looking to upgrade your computing experience, the i7-powered systems at HoloWare are the way to go. Ready to experience the i7 difference? Visit holoware.co to explore our range of i7-powered laptops and desktops. From gaming powerhouses to professional workstations, we have got a solution that fits your needs. For more details, visit holoware.co or reach out to us at marketing@holoware.co. Our dedicated team is available to help you choose the right i7 system. Thanks for tuning in to the HoloWare Tech Podcast. Stay connected for more insights into the world of tech. Until next time, this is Nazia signing off. Stay curious, stay innovative, and take care.